Breathe in. Breathe out. Let your body grow quiet. Let your mind grow wide. Bring your hands low on your belly. Feel the warmth, feel the weight. Say inside, I am safe, I am steady, I am here. See a red glow, rooted to the earth. Every breath, washing it clean. 7 rivers of light running through your spine. One by one, they open. 7 rivers of light, rising as you breathe. In and under, in and up. Lift your hands just below your navel. Soft orange sun floating in a pool. Whisper gently, I allow, I receive, I create. Let the water move, old stories drifting out. You are free to feel it all. Hands to your ribs, center of your fire. Quiet yellow flame growing as you smile. Tell yourself, I am strong, I am worthy. I can choose. Every doubt turns into smoke, drifting out into the blue. 7 rivers of light running through your spine. One by one, they open. 7 rivers of light, rising as you breathe. In and up, in and up. Now your heart hunts to the center. Green garden opening slow. I forgive, I am loved, I can love, I can heal. Throat like a sky, hands on your neck. Soft blue wind clearing the way. I speak truth, I am heard, I am clear. I am kind. Touch your brow between your eyes. Deep indigo, quiet night inside. Say the words I can see, I can trust. What I know, crown of violet at the top of your head. A flower of light opening wide. I am held, I belong, I am more than my fear. Breathe in and breathe out, breathe out. You are clear, you are clean, you are clean. You never from the root to the crown. You are light, you are light, you are light. You are light. You are light.